Hey fashionistas! Ready to spice up your summer wardrobe? Transform those boring old outfits into something fabulous, because I am so here for it. Let's dive into some fun and fabulous summer fashion tips. Get ready to screenshot because these looks are fire. Got that basic summer outfit? We've all been there. Instead of blending in, throw on a colorful patterned blazer. A burst of sunshine on your shoulders instantly elevates your look, makes you seem like you put in effort. Perfect for those chilly summer nights when you need a little extra. Jumpsuits, you guys. Seriously, can we talk about jumpsuits? They're like the ultimate summer staple. Lightweight, breezy, and with a cute waist belt, you've got a silhouette that makes everyone jealous. Like, oh, this old thing? I just threw it on. Effortless, chic, done. Listen, I am all about that comfy life, and summer is the perfect time to embrace athleisure. But we're not talking about your old, faded gym clothes here. I'm talking breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics that look good even when you're sweating. Because let's be real, summer can get toasty. So go ahead, hit the park, go for a run, and look fabulous while you're at it. Chapter 4. Sock game strong. Okay, hear me out. Statement socks with sandals. I know it sounds out there, but trust me, it's a vibe. It's unexpected, cool, and shows you don't take fashion too seriously. Plus, it's a great way to add personality to any outfit. Just try it. You might be surprised how much you love it. Chapter 5. Sun protection is chic. Fashion is important, but protecting your beautiful skin is crucial. Don't be that person who gets sunburned on the first day of summer. Look for clothing with built-in UPF, like those cute hats and shirts. Wrinkles are not in this season. Chapter 6. Asymmetrical Attitude. Asymmetrical skirts, you guys. They're like the cool older sister of the regular skirt. A little bit edgy, a little bit unexpected, and a whole lot of style. Pair it with a fitted top to balance the look, and you've got an outfit perfect for anything from brunch to a night out. Okay, can we talk about bags for a sec? Because I am all about that versatility, especially in the summer. Who wants to carry around a million different bags? Not me. That's why I'm obsessed with convertible bags. You know, the ones you can wear as a crossbody, a shoulder bag, a clutch. The possibilities are endless. Is it even summer if you don't wear at least one tropical print? It's like a rule or something. My favorite way to rock the tropical trend is with a button-down shirt tied at the waist. Pair it with high-waisted pants or a flowy skirt for a stylish, breezy look. Perfect for hot summer nights. Sheer kimonos, you guys. The ultimate summer layering piece. Throw one over your swimsuit for a chic beach look or dress it up for a night out. They're super lightweight and airy, so you won't melt in the summer heat. Seriously, what's not to love? Chapter 10. Summer nights, done right. Summer nights are for fun, and your wardrobe should reflect that. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold prints, bright colors, and a little bit of sparkle. Whether it's a rooftop party or drinks with friends, make sure your outfit says I'm here to have a good time. Chapter 11. Print mixing magic. Mixing prints can be intimidating, but it's so much fun. Who says you can't wear polka dots and stripes together? Or florals and animal print? Break the rules, experiment, and find your style. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, right? Chapter 12. Travel in style. Summer is perfect for adventures, but you don't have to sacrifice style for comfort. A lightweight dress with cute sneakers and a crossbody bag is perfect. You'll be ready for anything, whether exploring a new city or running errands. Chapter 13. Embrace the summer vibes. The most important thing about summer fashion is to have fun with it. Experiment with new styles, embrace your favorites, and most importantly, wear what makes you feel good. When you feel confident, you look confident, and that's what really matters, right? Chapter 14. Stay stylish, friends. Here are my summer fashion tips. I hope you found inspiration to refresh your wardrobes. Fashion is about expressing yourself and having fun, so go out there and rock those summer looks. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Tag me in your summer outfit pics because I want to see your amazing style. Stay stylish.